안녕하세요, 에리's 키친 친구분들. Today I will share 3 creative Korean side dish recipes that are simple yet delicious. For the first side, let's make a savory and refreshing cucumber side called 오이 생채 무침 in Korean. Peel the seedless cucumber. Then cut the cucumber into about 3-inch lengths and cut all parts except for the soft part in the middle into strips about 1/8 inch thick. Please don't throw away the middle parts. Feed them to your loved ones. Put the cucumber and the salt in a bowl and marinate the cucumber with the salt for about 20 to 30 minutes until they are soft. Wrap the pickled cucumbers in a cotton cloth, cheesecloth, or paper towels and squeeze the cucumbers to remove as much water as possible. This salting and squeezing process is the secret tip for getting a great cucumber texture for this side. So put the cucumbers in a bowl and season the cucumber with hot pepper powder, hot pepper paste, fish sauce, finely chopped green onion, minced garlic, and the sesame seed. Mix everything well and this side is done. Simply mix this cucumber side with freshly cooked rice, fried eggs, crushed seasoned dried labor, and a little bit of sesame oil. Then you can make a very quick and delicious bibimbap. Keep this side in the refrigerator for over a week and enjoy. For the next side, we will make a Korean-style chickpea side using canned chickpeas. It is called 병아리 콩 조림 in Korean. Prepare 1 can of chickpeas. If you do not want to use canned chickpeas, you can also use 1.5 cups of soaked and cooked chickpeas instead. Drain out the water and rinse the chickpeas once or twice. In a pot, add the chickpeas, the water, the soy sauce, and the sugar. Stir them gently until the sugar dissolves. Once the broth starts to boil, cook them for about 5 minutes on medium-high. After 5 minutes, you can see that all the liquid seeps into the chickpeas, leaving little to no liquid. Now turn off the stove and finally add the sesame oil and the sesame seed and mix it up. This side dish is delicious both hot and cold. You can double or triple the recipe to make a generous amount of this side dish. Keep it in the refrigerator and take a little out at every meal. For the last side, I will share a fancy and delicious way to enjoy tofu and spam together, which is called Tbsp BuChim in Korean. Divide 1 pack of extra firm tofu in half. Then divide 1 portion of the tofu into 4 slices. It will be slightly thinner than a 1/2 inch thick. Use a paper towel to gently pat the surface of the tofu to remove any liquid. Prepare the spam and cut it into 2 pieces with the same thickness and size as the tofu slices. If you don't like spam, try corned beef, because my family and I actually think the corned beef tastes better than spam in this dish. Stack them like you're making a sandwich with the tofu on the outside. Put the Korean frying mix on a plate. You can also use Korean pancake mix or normal wheat flour. Coat the tofu spam sandwich with flour. It is important to ensure that the flour evenly coats all the sides. Crack the egg and stir it well. Then coat the tofu spam sandwich with the egg mixture. Drizzle the cooking oil on a heated nonstick pan or a cast iron pan and place the tofu spam sandwiches on it. Fry them for about 8 minutes on medium. Every 2 minutes, turn them over on a different side so that all of the sides cook evenly. In 8 minutes, you will get these beautifully fried Tofu spam BuChim. Let them cool a little bit and slice them into about half-inch slices with a bread knife if you have one. I garnished them with a little bit of dried parsley. Before finishing this video, if you are interested in learning the Korean language, please check my Eddie's Korean YouTube channel.
나비.
Please try these delicious 오이 생채 무침, 병아리 콩조림, and 두부 스팸 무침 someday. And if you do, take some pictures and share them with me on Instagram or Facebook because I love to see your food pictures.
다시 들어가자.
좀 먹어줘. 버리기 아깝잖아. Not bad? 프라이드 다 먹었다 먹었나? 맛이 어떤가요? 좀 별로지?
좀 맛있는데 하지만 like aftermath.
잘 먹었어. 냠냠냠냠. 잘했어. 감사합니다.
네, 잘했어요.
Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.